Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wowbutter Pupcakes. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 tablespoons of wow butter, 2 tablespoons of some kind of vegetable oil, 1 medium banana mashed, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half a cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a fourth a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you need a mini muffin tin, and you want to spray 12 of the cavities with cooking spray. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and get out a large bowl. Alright, all of my ingredients are in this big bowl, and I'm just going to mix these all together. There's really no need to use an electric mixer. You don't have to. Just make sure it's all blended really well. Alright, that looks nice and combined. So next we are going to add that to our mini muffin tins. Alright, my little pupcakes are ready to go into the oven. I just kind of smashed them down with my fingers a little bit just to make sure that they were evenly distributed. So like I said, at 350 for 10 to 20 minutes, just watch them. Okay, my pupcakes just came out of the oven. They baked for exactly 10 minutes, and I inserted a toothpick and it came out clean, so I knew they were ready. I decorated a few of them with little bones because today is our little pup Cujo's first birthday. That's why we're making these. Taste Tester thought he should have his own little pupcakes for his birthday. But I just wanted to let everybody know, if you are going to make these for your pup, of course, always check with your vet, make sure that all your ingredients that you're using are okay. But this is just a little tidbit. If you're going to not use wow butter is safe. But if you're going to use a different, like peanut butter or something similar, just be sure it does not have xylitol, because it is not safe for dogs. It's found in, it's a sugar substitute. It's found in some of the more, sugar-free, healthier type peanut butter versions. But it is extremely poisonous for dogs, even more so than chocolate. So just be sure you're looking out for that. I would hate for something to happen to your little pups. Honey and flour in small quantities is fine. You just don't want to overdo any of it. You know that. Just be sure you're checking on that stuff for your pups. So we're going to let these cool off, and we're going to have our little pup Cujo have a taste. And I don't know, if Taste Tester wants to taste one, he can. I won't let him eat one with the dog bone, though. Don't worry. Alright, my Wowbutter Pupcakes are all ready to go. We're just going to let them finish cooling off, and we'll see what Taste Tester and Cujo think. Okay. Alright, my little Taste Testers. Have a little taste.
Okay.
I think Cujo liked it. He already took it.
Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Cujo, was it good?